So guys, I'm gonna teach you about what is the object construction, and I'm gonna explain you about in deep way, in a very easy way, right? So, what is the object constructor? So an object constructor is a function that is used to create an initialize object. The constructor function serves as a blueprint for creating multiple objects with similar properties and method, right? Constructors are typically used when you need to create several instances of object with shared characteristic, right? That's the definition part of that, right? So let me show you object construction explanation part, right? Syntax part, right? This is object constructor syntax. So guys, like I told you about, right? Object constructor syntax: function constructor name parameter 1 comma parameter 2. This dot property 1 is equal to parameter 1. This dot property 2 is equal to parameter 2. Additional properties and methods, right? Object constructor example: object constructor for creating person object, function person name comma age city. This dot name is equal to name. This dot age is equal to age. This dot age is equal to age. This dot city is equal to city, right? So this dot greet is equal to function, right? Console dot log hello my name is plus this dot name plus I live in the cities. Also about creating instance of the person object using the constructor. Let person 1 equal to new person John comma 30 comma New York. Let person 2 equal to new person comma Alice comma 25 comma Los Angeles. Accessing properties and calling method, right? Console.log person1.name output John, console.log person2 dot age output 25 person1 dot greet output hello my name is John and I live in the New York. Person2 dot greet output hello my name is Alice and I live in Los Angeles. Come to the object constructor syntax part. I'm going to explain you about what is actually happening there. So an object constructor is a function that is designed to be used with new keyword to create instance of object. It allows you to define a template for the object, specifying its property and method. This keyword inside the constructor refer to the newly created object, right? Come to the object constructor syntax. That's the object, right? That's the explanation part of this syntax. And now come to the done side. Object constructor example. I'm gonna explain you what is happening there. It's got little bit. So the person function serve as the constructor for creating person object. It take parameter name, age, city to initialize the property of the object. This keyword is used to refer to the current instance of the object being created. Inside the constructor, properties are assigned value based on the provided parameters. Additionally, a greet method is defined with the constructor. Creating Now we are creating instance, right? Using the constructor. So instance of object are created using the new keyword followed by the constructor function new comma person, right? So with this, each instance get its own set of property and method based on the constructor. Now I'm going to explain you about accessing properties and calling a method. Once instance are created, you can access their property using the dot notation person1 dot name, right? Person1 dot name. You can also call the method defined in the constructor person1 dot greet, right? So Object cons- constructors provide a way to create object with shared characteristic and behavior. They are particularly useful when you need to create multiple instances of object with similar structure. Constructor, along with the prototype, chain, and classes introduced in ES6, are fundamental concept in object-oriented programming in JavaScript. Right, guys. So this is all about object constructor. Let's meet in the next video.